if your leg is like this, your leg is like this, I'm going to show you how to transform your leg to like this. Okay, it's hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella from Ella Skincare. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How are you doing? Hope you are good, and I hope you're having an amazing day, because for me, I'm super great. So lovelies, today I'll be showing you how to clear your hyperpigmentation and discoloration on your leg. Okay, on your leg. If your leg is like this, your leg is like this, I'm going to show you how to transform your leg to like this. Okay, it's very simple. Now you need just one simple product. Okay, just one simple magical product. But before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload these videos. And please like this video so that others will be able to see this video and learn just the way you are learning. I'm begging you all to please like this video. Okay, like this video and share this video for others so that others can learn and see a simple way. I mean, a simple way that is not going to cost up to $1 to cure discoloration on their leg. And shout me for WhatsApp if you want to buy supplements, injections, skincare products, skincare ingredients. Shout me for WhatsApp. I deliver worldwide. So lovely. So without too much, let's go straight into the video. Okay, let's go. Welcome back, lovelies. Now, if you want to cure hyperpigmentation, if you want to clear hyperpigmentation on your leg, or you want to clear discoloration on your leg, okay, or your leg is badly damaged and you want it to go back to factory setting, or you want it to go back to the way it was, you need just a simple thing. Now all you need to clear this is just petroleum jelly. Now you can get Vaseline petroleum jelly, or you can get any petroleum jelly of your choice. Now what you want to do is, after taking your bath, make sure you take your bath very well. If you can scrub, exfoliate that part of your skin very well, and then apply petroleum jelly or Vaseline. Okay, Vaseline. Apply Vaseline in the morning, apply Vaseline in the evening. If you can apply it in the afternoon, apply it in the afternoon, and continue to apply Vaseline every day for the next 1 month. Okay, and those of you are going to be like, oh, I'll be darker. Yes, you will be darker, but it will help to remove those discoloration, those hyperpigmentation on your leg. It's going to take your skin back to factory setting. Like, it's going to bring you back. It's going to repair your skin. Okay, let me use that word repair. Okay, it will repair that's your leg and bring it back to the way it was. Okay, do it for 1 month, you see difference. Take it to 2 months. If your leg is badly damaged, take it to 2 months. You see that even before that 1 month end, you see that your leg is already clearing out those discoloration, those extra dark parts, those dark pigment parts on your leg is going to fade out, and your leg is going to look uniform. Okay, now if your leg, if the thing is very serious on your leg, take it to 2 months, your leg will be completely healed. Now if you're a type that does not want to use petroleum jelly, you don't want to use petroleum jelly, I will advise that you use what we call your traditional palm fruit oil. We call it carnier pomade. It looks like this. Okay, if you use this traditional palm fruit oil on your leg, my love, see, it's going to transform your leg. Like, it's going to repair your leg. Okay, it's going to repair your leg and take it to, how am I going to call it? It's going to repair your leg and take it to the way it's supposed to be. Okay, this works faster than your Vaseline. Like, this is a great option than your Vaseline, but I know that most people cannot get this. So the best thing that you can get is your petroleum jelly, or you get your Vaseline petroleum jelly. Okay, but if you can lay your hands on this, if you're in Nigeria, you'll be able to lay your hands on this. In Delta State, we call it carnier pomade, or we call it Oribi. If you're from Olobo, we call it Oribi. Okay, it's a cream that is made from palm fruits. Okay, you can use this oil on your leg for a month. Before a month, you're gonna see that your leg will have a dramatic change. That it's gonna take your leg to factory setting. It's gonna repair your leg, and this also repairs skin. Okay, for those of you that have badly damaged skin and look for something that is very cheap on a budget, get this palm carnier oil and use it on your body. It's gonna repair your body and take it to factory setting. Okay, although if you are very white before you were using a whitening product, it will make you look dark. Yes, you're gonna look dark, but your skin is gonna be shiny and plump. Okay, so lovelies, that's it for the video. It's not much. These are the 2 things you can get to change your skin, your leg, from being damaged to being repaired. Okay, two simple things that you can just get. If you cannot lay your hands on one, make sure you lay your hands on one and you are good to go. No need to spend money on expensive products trying to repair your leg. Just get this thing and your leg will be repaired. Okay, love this. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you love this video, and hit subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Till I see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye.